What's up, Sun Rays? Welcome back to the channel. It's Ray. If you're new here, welcome. Today I'm going to be talking to you about my favorite co-washes. Now, I kind of got away from co-washing and started shampooing a little bit more, but I still use co-washes periodically. I do plan on using them more often now because it's getting colder. So I thought, let me go ahead and share with you some of my favorite co-washes, especially for those of you who like to co-wash. I don't have a lot of co-washes, but I do have some that I want to talk to you about. And then I have a couple that I have not used yet. So hopefully my next co-wash video will have some new ones because I'm pretty sure you guys have seen the ones I'm getting ready to tell you about already on my channel. But if any of you are new here and you have not seen my favorite co-washes, then just stay tuned. Okay guys, so one of my favorite co-washes is the Eat Body Works Lavender Aloe Moisturizing Co-Wash. This one is really good. I like it. If you have been with me anytime, you know I like Eat Body Works co-washes in general. So the very first one that I used to like was the Cocoa Shea. From the Cocoa Shea line. It's the original co-wash and I still like that one. I don't have it on hand. But when this one came out, I started using this one more just because of, I felt it was a little bit more moisturizing and I like the fact that it was in a pump. The other one is in a jar that you have to dig down into. Now that one is moisturizing as well, so it is an honorable mention if you're wondering. It's moisturizing as well, but I feel like it is a little bit more cleansing. You get a little bit more of that cleansing effect as well, and so you use the one that you feel like you need at the time. But this one is really good. I like this one. It's creamy, it's moisturizing, it makes my hair feel really nice and plump and juicy, which is what I like, not stripped at all. So yeah, if you haven't tried Eat Body Works products, I suggest you give them a try because they're very affordable and you get a good amount for the price. So my second one, in keeping with Eat Body Works, is the Papaya Castor Scalp Cleanser. This one was the one that I started using after the original co-wash in the jar because again, this one is very much like the lavender. It's creamy, it's more moisturizing, and I just liked it because it had the pump. But this is now discontinued, so I can't pick it up anymore. So therefore the lavender is the one that I'm using more often. I still have a little bit of this left, so I'm gonna go ahead and get it used up, and then the lavender one and the coconut shea one will be the ones that I will be gravitating to from Eat Body Works. So yeah guys, if you haven't tried Eat Body Works co-washes, I'd say pick them up and give them a try. Another one that I like that used to be a favorite is the Texture ID 3 times Moisture Cream Conditioner. This is a conditioner, but you can use it multiple ways. So you definitely can use it as a co-wash, you can use it as a rinse out conditioner, and you can also use it as a leave-in, I believe. Let me check. Yeah, it says it can be used as a co-wash and or a leave-in, and then of course it's a rinse out conditioner as well. So those are the three ways you can use it. I definitely used to use it as a co-wash and I liked it as a co-wash because it does have slip. You're able to detangle your hair with this and you get a lot for the cost of it. You can find this at Sally Beauty. I believe they have changed the packaging of this. But if they still have this on hand, this is the one I can vouch for in this packaging, this color. So if you go to Sally Beauty and you see it, I would say stock up on it, just because I can't vouch for the new packaging and stuff like that. I don't know if they changed the ingredients or anything, but this one is really good and I used to like it as a co-wash. I also like it as a leave-in and I also like it as a rinse out. So it's multi-use and I love it. Another one that I like is from She Scented. This is the Blueberry Co-Wash and Conditioner. It looks like this. This is a new bottle. I've already used up one and I have repurchased it, as you can see. And this one's really good too. She Scented just makes really good products in general. But this one is another one that has a lot of slip. It cleanses the hair. It makes the hair feel moisturized upon rinse out. And I just enjoy it. So this one is the one that I have used the least of all of these, but it's still good. This is one that you would have to order but I do want to still mention it because I still like it and it is a favorite of mine. But if you don't want to have to order, then I would say if you have a Sally in your area, go and see if they have this. Otherwise, you'll have to order it. And then I believe this one you probably can find on the ground somewhere in your area. Whoever sells Eden Body Works products in your area, you should be able to find. And this one is discontinued. However, the original Eden Body Works Cocoa Shea co-wash is still readily available as well. Now, for some honorable mentions that I don't have on hand that I actually really like as well is the As I Am original co-wash from their original line. I believe it's called coconut co-wash or something like that too. It's in a brown jar. I'll put a picture of it here. It's really good as well. I believe that it is out of the ones that I showed you, it's probably the most cleansing. It gives you that little bit more cleansing feel. So again, if you're someone who likes that more cleansed feel, if you use a little bit more heavier products, now I'm not gonna say a co-wash is gonna clean all the buildup and stuff like that off your hair, you know, it's not gonna do that, but they are good for a midweek cleanse if you haven't used things that's too heavy. But if you want a good cleanse, I think that one is going to give you the feel that you're looking for before these will. So that one is really good. And then of course, As I Am have some other co-washes as well that I haven't tried, but I heard were really good. And I haven't tried them because I believe they have silicones in them, but the original line does not have silicones, at least it didn't. And so that one is a really good one as well, as an honorable mention if you're interested. And then guys, I do want to let you know, just read your bottles, because sometimes you have conditioners in your arsenal or in your stash that are multi-use and you may not even know because you bought them for a certain purpose. Like I bought this as a rinse out conditioner to go with the shampoo, but after I read it and I saw that it could be used as a leave-in and as a co-wash as well, I tried it as those things and I liked it as those things. So that's what you need to do as well. So there may be some co-washes in your stash that you don't even know about. So read your conditioner bottles and see what they say. I mean, let's take advantage of our products any way we can, because especially if you don't like a conditioner as a rinse out, it doesn't really give you what you want, then it may be able to be used as a co-wash and you may like it better that way. You know, you just never know. But anyway, guys, that's it for my favorite co-washes. Let me know down below if you've tried any of these and how you feel about them, and let us know if you have any favorite co-washes that I didn't mention. Jot those down below too, so people who are reading the comments can learn from you and maybe pick up a new co-wash. And me too, I'd like to pick up a new co-wash. So anyway, guys, that's it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye, guys.